Well, for dinner tonight, I'm cooking chicken fillets with stir-fried vegetables. Plenty of protein, good fiber, really delicious. Eating these kind of foods is what keeps your blood sugars down and makes your diabetes get back to normal. So without further ado, let's get out to the kitchen and put this together. The ingredients for tonight is chicken breast, stir-fried vegetables, mushrooms, slivered almonds, garlic salt, Worcestershire sauce, and olive oil. Wrap your chicken in saran wrap and pound it to about 1/4 inch thick for your fillets. Slice the mushrooms up into small pieces. Put the frying pan on medium heat and add your olive oil. Add garlic salt to the chicken and some seasoning, your choice. And then you pat the seasoning in thoroughly to your chicken fillet. Add the mushrooms and stir fry into the pan. Cook until firm and warm. Add some Worcestershire sauce. Set the stir-fried vegetables to the side. Put the chicken fillet into the pan. I like to add a little more Worcestershire sauce or soy sauce on the chicken. Cover and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. When the edge of the chicken is white, then you can turn and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Add the stir fry back into the pan and heat. Sprinkle on the almonds. It's time to plate. Then I add a little more water and cook another chicken fillet to have later, for either a lunch or for salad. Ready to eat. Bon appetit. As usual, really good and healthy. Have a good day.